I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Expect the best. Prepare for the worst. Think 100 times before you take a decision. But once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There is great competition between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the woman. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Failure is a word unknown to me. My message to you all is hope, courage, and confidence. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion is merely a matter between man and God. I have full faith in my people that they will rise to every occasion worthy to our past. I insist you strive, work, and only work for the satisfaction with patience, humbleness, and serve the nation. Islam expects every Muslim to do this duty, and if we realize our responsibility, time will come soon when we shall justify ourselves worthy of a glorious past. Come forward as a servant of Islam. Organize the people economically and politically, and I am sure that you will be a power that will be accepted by everybody. It is only with united effort and faith in our destiny that we shall be able to translate the Pakistan of our dreams into reality. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty. For it is not the life matters, but the courage, fortitude, and determination you bring to it.